Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. This actually started an uptrend yesterday. Um, no, the day before yesterday, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back up yesterday. Okay, and this morning, after getting to this region, it was going down, and of course I drew out these horizontal supports. I mean, support trend line. I drew out this support trend line, and I was like, if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. And as you can see, it sold more and it is still selling. Okay, so if it should break out below this support zone, then definitely it's still going to sell more and maybe targeting this region. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out GainX 999. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. This is another asset, and of course, this, I mean, it so till it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, and it has been playing around there for a while. I actually dropped this signal earlier today, but it is about to activate it right now. So, I want to believe that this is going to buy because we've been giving an uptrend signal and it has not been able to break out from the support zone. So these are the highlighted TPs for us. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, probably we might start getting to the TPs later on in the night, probably tomorrow morning. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be Penex 1200. Penex 1200 uh, I've been playing around there for a while. You can see it going up and down within this region for a while. So it got to this particular support zone and it went back up again to the resistance zone. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, we should expect it to sell and come back to this region again. Okay, so until there is a clear breakout either above the resistance zone or below the support zone right here, that is when we can say, okay, this is going to be the direct direction of the market. But for now, it is moving in between the upper part of the channel and lower part of the channel. It has just got into the upper part of the channel. It is most likely for it to come down again if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. So still buying at the moment, but I'm expecting it to sell from there because it has gotten to the upper part of the channel. The only reason why it will not sell if it breaks out above this upper part of the channel. Okay, so now this is GainX 9 PNX 999. PNX 999 started an uptrend right from here, and you can see bought till it got to this region at this major pullback, but it is still buying. Okay, it is done with the pullback, so trying to buy again. So I'm expecting it to buy more and may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, I don't like choosing red for my TPs. Okay, so I'm just going to change the color. So may likely get to this spot. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80, just like I said earlier today, it broke out. I mean, it is most likely for it to break out below this support zone, and just the way we have seen it, it broke out below it, and it has been selling since then and got into a new support zone, trying to go back into an uptrend, but we are not sure if it's going to buy fully. Okay, because if you should notice somewhere around here, it's actually um got there and it went back into a downtrend, so it is most likely for it to respect it again. But if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy fully. Okay, so for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Buying at the moment, but that does not mean it cannot still sell, because it's been on a very strong downtrend. So we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.